What is Advanced Custom Fields? Advanced Custom Fields is a WordPress plugin which allows you to add content fields to your WordPress edit screen. These extra content fields are more commonly referred to as custom fields and can allow you to build websites faster and educate your clients quicker. Advanced Custom Fields comes in two versions. There is a free version and a pro version. The pro version is around $75 to $100. The basics of custom fields. Custom fields are native to WordPress and appear on pages, posts, and custom post types. However, the native custom field interface is not very intuitive. As you can see in these pictures, with ACF installed, you can tailor what fields to show and what they look like. For instance, you may require a hero image to be selected for your homepage. You can use ACF to easily create this image field and show it when editing the homepage.